These little Argentinian shrimp, they're like lobster. They're tremendous. Wow. Quick and easy shrimp scampi. We're gonna start off with some frozen defrosted shrimp. So I've got some chopped up garlic. We're also gonna need a little bit of butter. I know I have a lot here, but I'm not gonna use it all. A little bit of oil, a little bit of parsley at the very end, like a medium heat on a saute pan like this. Put some salt and pepper on my shrimp. Pan is starting to heat on up. Gonna put in a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to put in the butter, a little bit of garlic. And I'm gonna cook this on a medium heat. I'm just gonna wait for that garlic aroma to come wafting up. The beautiful thing about shrimp is that they're gonna cook really quickly. We're talking like maybe 45 seconds a side. I'm gonna take my shrimp, pop them right in. So you'll see after just a few minutes, not even a few minutes, a few seconds, the shrimp start to lose that raw color and they start to get that nice orangey look and even a little bit of opaqueness. That's pretty much it, okay? We're gonna put in a little bit of lemon juice. And again, I'm gonna use this hand to catch any seeds that might be inside the lemon. Give that guy a little stir, and that's it, right? You could actually have this on a nice plate of some angel hair pasta or some linguine. Get some of that gorgeous, nice butter sauce on there. A little bit more parsley on there. That is killer. You can tell I haven't had that very recently. Love my seafood. Give it a try, guys.